Welcome to Statics Lectures by Civil Thinking, and today we are going to solve another problem on resultant of force systems. Now before I move on, I suggest you to please watch the video lectures in sequence so that you understand better. Now the playlist link is in the description, or also you can click on the pop-up on your screen. Now coming to the problem, a pole is held vertical with the help of two cables as shown in figure 1-4-D. Okay, this is the figure 1-4-D, and in this figure AD, this green, it is a pole. Okay, now this AC, this orange line AC and AB, these are the orange, they are the cables. Okay, this is a solid pole and it is held vertical with the help of these two. Okay, now the tension in the cable AC is 100 Newton. Now in this AC there is a tension of 100 Newton. Let me denote the tension with T. TAC is 100 Newton. The tension in the cable AB is, we have to find the tension in this cable AB, right? We have to find this. Now the static equilibrium, this pole will be held vertical only when the net force on it is balanced, right? When it is in static equilibrium, right? Now this will be in static equilibrium when the forces towards left, right, like this, is equal to forces towards this, right? When you pull equally from here and here, this AD will be held vertical, right? It will be in static equilibrium, right? Now let us resolve these components TAB, right? Now this is 30 degrees, which means this is also 30 degrees, alternate angles. Now this is TAB. Now the horizontal component of TAB is TAB cos 30 degrees, right? Now here it is 45 degree. Here is, it means here is also 45 degrees because they are alternate angles. Now since it is TAC, so the horizontal component of TAC, which is 100, it is 100 cos 45 degrees, right? Now for static equilibrium. Now by the way, if you want to watch a complete detailed video lecture on static equilibrium, I have already made a video lecture on static equilibrium. Okay, you will understand a lot of things from that. If you want to watch that, you can click on the pop-up on your screen. Okay, so for static equilibrium, TAB cos 30, TAB cos 30 degrees has to be equal to 100 cos 45, right? 100 cos 45 degrees, right? Now from here we can find the value of TAB to be 100 cos 45 degrees divided by cos 30 degrees, right? Now let me use a calculator. Now the approximate tension in AB cable, I found it to be 81.65 newtons. Okay, so for this pole AD pole to be vertical, the tension in the cable has to be 81.65 Newton. Okay, so this is how we solve this problem. Now which option is the correct option? I think now here it is 81.65. Option D is the correct option, right? So this is how we solve the problem, and if you have any doubts, please comment, and see you in the next class. Thank you.